Good morning students. Now we will discuss past perfect tense in active voice and passive voice. So first type of sentence in past perfect tense is affirmative sentence. Let us have its figure first. Subject, helping verb, had, third form of the verb and object. On the passive side, this figure turns into object, helping verb, had been, third form of the verb by and subject in the last. So let us have its examples. First example is Pakistan had launched an attack. Pakistan had launched an attack. On this side it will change into an attack, helping verb had been, third form launched by Pakistan. Next, second example is he had obeyed my orders. He had obeyed my orders. It will change into my orders had been, third form obeyed by, he will change into him. So this is the way to change active voice into passive voice in past perfect tense for affirmative sentence. So next type is negative sentence in past perfect tense. On the active side, the figure of its sentence is subject, had not, third form of the verb and object. Whereas on the passive side its figure changes into object, helping verb, had not been, third form of the verb by and subject in the last. Let us have some examples. First is you had not kept your words. You had not kept your words. Your words, helping verb, had not, third form of the be, been, kept by you. Second example is she had not realized her mistake. She had not realized her mistake. On the passive side it will change into her mistake had not been, third form realized by and she changes into her. So this is the way to change negative sentence of past perfect tense from active voice into passive voice. So next type of sentence is interrogative in past perfect tense. So let us have its structure. First, the structure of interrogative past perfect tense is had, subject, third form of the verb and object. On the passive side, this structure will change into had, object, being, third form of the verb by and subject in the last. So let us some sentences of this type. First one is had the nurse received her training in the hospital. Sign of interrogation. Had the nurse received her training in the hospital? It will change into had her training been received by her in the hospital. Sign of interrogation. Second example is had the staff welcomed the new principal. Sign of interrogation. Had the staff welcomed the new principal? On the passive side, it will become had the new principal welcomed, had the new principal been welcomed by the staff. Sign of interrogation. Had the new principal been welcomed by the staff? So next type of sentence is interrogative sentence in past perfect tense. On active side, in active voice, its figure will be had, subject, not, third form of the verb, object and sign of interrogation in the last. On the passive side, it will convert into had, object, not, been, third form of be, third form of the verb, subject, sign of interrogation. Let us have some sentences of this type. Had the students not visited Jama Masjid? Had the students not visited Jama Masjid? Sign of interrogation. On the passive side, it will change into had, Jama Masjid, not, been visited by the students. sign of interrogation in the end. Second example is, had she not withdrawn her name, sign of interrogation, had she not withdrawn her name, had her name not been withdrawn by, she will change into her, sign of interrogation. In this way we can change interrogative sentence of past perfect tense from active voice to passive voice. So here are some sentences for practice. First sentence is, had the grandmother not blessed him. Second, we had lost the keys. Third, had she solved your business problem. Fourth, I had read this article. Fifth, the prisoner had robbed 5 banks. Sixth, had the fielder not caught the ball. Seventh, they had not received the parcel. 8. I had learnt this important lesson. 9th, they had won a big prize. 10th, had the cobbler mended the shoes. So next type of tense in past section is past perfect continuous. But past perfect continuous has no type in active and passive voice. So here our past tense is complete in active and passive voice. Till then, thank you very much.